From ancient stones and mountains high, beneath the wide and watchful sky, a love takes root, a quiet fire, fueled by the land a soul's desire. It's in the eyes that have seen pain, but hold the promise of the rain on thirsty earth, a tender sigh, a love that simply cannot die. Oh, Kurdish love, a river flows through valleys deep where courage grows. It's strong as mountains, warm as sun, a story whispered, never done. It beats within the heart of man and woman, strong across the land. A love for you, a love for me, a love for all of Kurdistan. Perhaps we met where dust did swirl, or shared a dream in this hard world. Your hand in mine, a silent vow to face the future here and now. We've built our home with simple grace, found beauty in this sacred space. Our laughter rings a defiant sound on soil where freedom must be found. Oh, Kurdish love, a river flows through valleys deep where courage grows. It's strong as mountains, warm as sun, a story whispered, never done. It beats within the heart of man and woman, strong across the land. A love for you, a love for me, a love for all of Kurdistan. The world may see the struggle faced, the history that can't be erased, but deep inside a light shines bright, fueled by our love, our shared birthright. For hearth and home, for future's dawn, this love will carry us along. Oh, Kurdish love, a river flows through valleys deep where courage grows. It's strong as mountains, warm as sun, a story whispered, never done. It beats within the heart of man and woman, strong across the land. A love for you, a love for me, a love for all of Kurdistan. Yeah, love for all of Kurdistan. From heart to heart, across the land, this Kurdish love